Winter is a season we could both do without. However, there's something to be said when the branches of the trees and the evergreens are weighted down with its heavy, wet snowfall. When the snow falls, it brings a peace like no other. There's nothing more satisfying than to be the first to blaze the trail through the fresh fallen snow. When the snow falls, nature listens. It's such an eerie feeling. So quiet and mysterious that you could hear a pin drop. At Hidden Creek Cabin, winter carries a different scent. Cabin fires to keep us warm and cozy during the cold winter days. Hot chocolate and apple cider to warm the soul during those chilly outdoor adventures. Come along and join us as the Canadian adventure seekers display how they plow the main road that leads into the cabin and the challenges of a cold winter snap.
We are getting hit with a major snowstorm today. We're supposed to be getting 15 to 20 centimeters, and it is coming down very heavy. So we will bring you guys up to date tomorrow morning on what this wonderful winter wonderland looks like. Because again, remember, we are about 1.5 kilometers up on a fairly large hill. You call it a mini mountain. And that is our access road to get out. So we'll bring you guys up to date tomorrow morning on what she looks like. So last night we received an average amount of snow. This is normal for this time of year, so we're not getting too excited, but it is really heavy. The only thing is that since we bought this property, we haven't had the chance to buy a tractor yet. It's something that is on the schedule to do. It's on the top of our list, but we just financially haven't had the chance to do anything because, number one, we wanted to get a good solar system installed before spending any more money on other things. So let me show you what we use to sort of plow the road. We have a large trunk that we drag behind the ATV. This is heavy enough to push the snow off to the side. However, this is fairly thick stuff. This is because it didn't just snow, it rained for about an hour and a half, and now everything is really heavy. So we'll see how this goes. So on this driveway, one of the things we're looking for is getting down to the dirt. Now this is where I put sand down, but it does have a bit of a grade, and this is quite the turn because you can't step on the gas to get up here. So sometimes you have to back in to this sort of holding area so you can get some acceleration to get up this hill. I really think it's time to look at purchasing a plow, but right now this will do. This time of the evening, I usually go down our main road to the cabin, and we have to put some salt down, because if we don't, and we have to leave here first thing tomorrow morning and head out to some appointments. So if we don't, the truck, the Jeep, they will just slide down because there'll be a sheet of ice. So this one's the real bad one, because this is just solid ice and is the worst slope. And this is a combination of salt and sand. Looks like we got about a half moon. It's going to be a cold one. We're going to be dropping down to minus 11. And everything is already starting to freeze. It's starting to freeze up, so laying that sand and salt mix this time of the evening is probably the best decision, especially when we got to be up about 6:30 tomorrow and on the road for our appointments. We recently did something. We purchased the Ninja air fryer. So today we're going to try it out. We got ourselves some chicken, some peppers, and these are the spices we're going to use. Nice Italian chicken, some smoldering apple wood. This is going to be for the vegetables, and then both the vegetables are going to get some extra virgin olive oil and mix that all together.
Just goes on there. So power, temperature, 400.
Yeah.
For how long? Nice.
15 minutes and then 5 minutes after that.
So
15 minutes up.
So we want to check it at 15?
Yes.
Okay. And then start.
So the air fryer, as soon as you start it, she pulls about 84 amps. So that's a lot of power. But we'll wait to see what happens when it hits its temperature. It should even out. So we have 5 seconds left. Let's see what it looks like after this. There's a cooling phase. Okay, so when you pull it out, they're nicely done. So we're just going to add the vegetables in there. Shouldn't take long for that.
You go. Now you're cheesy, just like us.
So this took 20 minutes to make. That was good though.
That's good.
That was really good. And veggies are crunchy. Today we have to head in town. We were going to take the truck, but going up that hill, the truck really needs new tires, so we're going to see if we can get them this week. This baby here makes it look so easy. So we're going to end up taking that into town.
What do you want me to do? Here.
You know what? There's tons of traction right now.
Yeah.
At least with this thing. It's got a lot better tires. So this is the worst part. So awesome, that was uneventful. So it was nice I came down here earlier to sort of shave off the little bit of snow that was on here to expose the dirt. Give me some extra traction.
We live to tell another day.
Yep. Oh, this thing's amazing. There's a reason why people buy Jeeps.
Mm-hmm.